Hi guys. After last year's hurricane with the flooding and the power outage for well over 4 days, we've decided to upgrade and get ourselves a generator that will run most of our house. This is the unboxing of that generator. Enjoy. And this is the generator we got. It is a Champion DuelFuel, runs on gasoline and propane, and has enough wattage to run most of our house. Okay, this is what we got in the box. This is the front leg for the generator. One wheel. Two wheels. A bag of hardware including the axles for the wheels. A funnel. What else do we have? Oh, this is the important part. They give you the hose to attach the propane tanks. So there's no guesswork, there's no problem getting the right one. They send it along with the generator. And they also send you the proper oil to go into the generator. That's pretty cool. Oh no, here comes the rain. Okay guys, I was going to show you how I put the oil in and hooked up the battery and put the wheels and everything together, but I screwed up and forgot to press record on the camera. So, ba-ding! Here it is, all completed. Started up on the first shot. Working pretty good. And it's not that loud. The further away I get by the street, I can barely hear it. Thanks a lot guys for watching my video. I'm just doing a half-hour break-in of the generator and it's running fine. It's putting out electricity. Things are going to work out very well. And I hope I don't need it this year during the hurricane season.